Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Limbus Company game stuck on loading screen or not loading error on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC once. This is an important step, so don't miss it out. You simply need to click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game file. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check if you can play it. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the search option, this time search for device manager. So search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics card. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't help, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. So search for the game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check if you can play the game. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. But if this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to check for Windows updates. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option. Now search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So make sure your graphics settings are properly set up. Most of the time the graphics settings like texture quality or resolutions are not properly set up and you can come across crashing or several other issues while playing the games. So make sure to lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on it and wait for some time. After you get set up successful message, now close this. After you close this, now restart your PC and after your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again play the game and then check if you can play it without any further problem. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to close unnecessary background apps. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it. Now after selecting it, right click on it and then click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Limbus Company game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or not.